Keep the sandals separate from the work shoes. We've got a big shipment coming in this afternoon.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're inside EcoStone Flooring Industries to discover how discarded shoes are transformed into strong and stylish.
Each pair carries signs of long service. Those worn materials still contain valuable resources hidden beneath the surface. The recycling process now begins to accelerate. Every conveyor connects one stage to the next without interruption. Preparation is carefully controlled before any material is broken down. Stable processing depends on consistent feeding and timing. Even the smallest metal components must be removed. Clean raw material protects the machines waiting ahead. Every stage depends on precise preparation. Only when everything is ready can the transformation safely begin. This is only the beginning of an extraordinary manufacturing journey. In the next chapter, the discarded shoes, the first stage reduces entire shoes into manageable pieces. Controlled shredding prepares the material for more precise processing ahead. The shredded material is separated by size before additional treatment. Consistent particle flow improves every stage that follows.
Different materials respond differently to moving air. This separation increases the purity of the recycled rubber.
Modern sensors identify materials in milliseconds. Automation improves both efficiency and product consistency. Secondary size reduction creates evenly shaped rubber granules. Uniform material is essential for producing strong floor tiles.
Sample looks good, right within spec. Confirmed. Let's log it and check the larger grade next.
Washing removes impurities left after mechanical processing. Clean raw material improves both appearance and durability.
Excess moisture must be removed before drying begins. Controlled water content protects the next manufacturing stage. Gentle drying prepares the recycled rubber for mixing. Stable temperature prevents damage to the material. The particle size on line 3 is still inconsistent.
Reroute it to correction bin B until the sensor stabilizes.
Every ingredient is measured with precision. The correct formula determines the strength, appearance, and durability of each floor tile. Powerful mixing creates a consistent material throughout the entire batch. Uniform blending prevents weak spots in the finished product. Even after mixing, the material is continuously monitored. Small adjustments help maintain stable production conditions. The prepared mixture is now shaped into individual tile molds. Accurate positioning is essential before compression starts. Stream pressure removes internal air pockets and binds the materials together. This stage creates the dense structure needed for long-lasting flooring.
Controlled heat allows the binding materials to fully react. This process gives each tile its permanent strength.
Temperature must remain stable throughout the curing cycle. Careful control protects both quality and durability.
Cooling is just as important as heating. Gradual temperature reduction helps preserve the tile's final structure. The recycled material has now taken on a completely new form. Each tile leaves the mold with its final dimensions already established. Automation checks every tile before additional finishing begins. Early inspection helps maintain consistent manufacturing standards. The tiles have reached the precision finishing stage. Small refinements now improve both appearance and long-term performance. Diamond tools create an even surface across every tile. Uniform thickness helps ensure reliable installation later. Accurate edges allow neighboring tiles to fit together precisely. Even small adjustments improve the finished floor. Human inspection complements automated systems. Experienced eyes can identify subtle details that machines continue to verify. Cleaning prepares the surface for its protective finish. Even fine dust must be removed before the next step.
A protective coating improves resistance to wear and moisture. The transparent layer also enhances long-term durability.
Ultraviolet curing completes the protective finish. Controlled exposure ensures consistent performance across every tile. Strong packaging protects the finished tiles throughout storage and transportation. Automated handling also reduces the risk of damage.
Have you calibrated the tensile tester yet?
Almost finished. The batch from line 3 is ready for inspection.
Every dimension is verified with remarkable precision. Even the smallest variation can affect installation quality.
Pressure is climbing past 20,000 psi.
Microfractures initiating at the center. We have failure.
Surface durability is tested by reproducing long-term use. The protective finish must resist constant wear. Impact resistance is another essential requirement. The recycled material must absorb force without significant damage. Slip resistance is carefully measured in controlled conditions. Safe flooring depends on maintaining reliable grip. Environmental testing predicts long-term performance. Stable materials must withstand changing temperatures and moisture. Consistent color is important throughout every production batch. Automated inspection helps maintain a uniform appearance. All inspection results are reviewed together before approval. Only verified batches continue toward shipment. After testing, the approved products are securely repackaged. Careful handling protects every tile until delivery.
Confirmed. Pallets 45 through 50 are clear for shipment at Loading Bay 2.
Did you scan the secure wrap shipment yet?
Yes, just finished row 7.
Automated storage improves efficiency and protects finished products. Every pallet remains fully traceable throughout the warehouse. Careful planning ensures that every shipment leaves on schedule. Production and logistics work together as one continuous system. A final inspection confirms that every shipment is protected. Small adjustments help prevent damage during transportation.
The finished floor tiles now leave storage. Their journey continues beyond the factory walls.
Balanced loading helps protect the products throughout transportation. Careful handling continues until delivery.
The recycled floor tiles are now ready to serve a completely new purpose. Their transformation continues beyond the manufacturing plant.
What began as discarded footwear has become durable construction material. Precision manufacturing makes reliable installation possible.
These new floors are so smooth. I know. Let's race to the end.
The same manufacturing process supports many different applications. Recycled materials can meet the demands of diverse public spaces. As finished products leave the factory, new raw materials arrive. The recycling cycle begins again without interruption. From discarded shoes to durable floor tiles, every stage has relied on careful engineering, precision,